He's the television Chuck.
Wait to them to come back. That's why I'm telling stories. This February, you will believe in magic. You will believe in dreams. You will believe in Wonderland.
I'll be so late. What are you doing here?
I'm trying to get into the beautiful garden.
What size do you want to be? Speak up! Speak up! Top!
Your name, child? Alice.
Oh, that's different.
What am I going to do?
What's that? That's an arm, your worship.
I am Mr. Tweedledum, and this is Mr. Tweedledee.
Could you tell me why your cat is grinning at me?
Sometimes things that look sane turn out nasty.
That's stupid.
Stupid. Don't spell stupid.
S-T... what's after tea? Dinner.
Who are you?
I know who I was this morning, but I think I've been changed several times since then.
I can't talk of many things. That was a glorious victory, wasn't it? Martin Short as the Mad Hatter. Whoopi Goldberg as the Cheshire Cat. Gene Wilder as the Mock Turtle. Ben Kingsley as Major Caterpillar. Miranda Richardson is the Queen of Hearts. Peter Ustinov brings the Walrus to life. George Wendt and Robbie Coltrane are Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Christopher Lloyd is the White Knight. You must be ready for anything, and nothing can frighten you. And Tina Majorino as Alice. You too much to say for yourself, Alice.
Dominic.
I don't want to go back.
You don't need us anymore.
This February, you will believe in a place called Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland. Coming up next.
Welcome to a house where the normal routine
Good morning, everyone. The raspberry flapovers will be out in a moment.
is anything but.
The kitchen is closed.
The Muppets are back. They all had their place in the world. Except for Gonzo.
I've always wondered where I came from, who I am.
Hey, Gonzo, don't you think you ought to take a little break? You're starting to freak out the neighbors.
Now, he's about to find out he's not alone.
I'm from outer space! You look terrible. No, Rizzo. I'm just fine. My God! People of Earth, do not be alarmed. Oh, brother.
Get ready for alien contact.
Rizzo, come here. My Captain Alphabet is sending me a message. Said, are you there?
Are you sure it didn't say, are you nuts?
Close encounters. And other shocking moments.
La 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 la.
Wow!
I should go change, okay?
The mothership is calling me home. The mood is tense. My hair looks great.
Let's go get Gonzo.
Rescue me and take me in your...
I'm the alien.
This guy's a freak show. Oh, I'm gonna hurl!
Columbia Pictures and Jim Henson Pictures
Now, who went and put too much gunpowder in the cannon?
take you where no Muppet has gone before.
This is Miss Piggy with a UFO alien exclusive. What? Hello? This is my story.
There he is.
Whoa.
Muppets from space.
No nostrils. How do you smell?
Awful. Trust me, I'm his roommate.
Take a cute little red-headed orphan, a lovable adorable shaggy dog. The richest man on earth.
I don't like it. Send it back.
And the world's favorite rags to riches story. And what have you got?
We got Annie.
We got Annie. We got Annie.
Annie's got it all.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us.
And it all begins in an orphanage. Run by Miss Hannigan.
Why any kid would want to be an orphan is beyond me.
All the mischief. All the fun. All the music. All the laughter.
Mr. Warbucks would like to invite an orphan to spend the week with him in his home. What about this child?
She's a drunk.
All the fantasy. All the magic. All the glamour. All the hard knocks. All the excitement. And the danger. All the tenderness.
I wanted to just another orphan, Mr. Warbucks. I wanted to believe I was special.
You are special. All the love. And all the intrigue.
Finally found you.
Annie's gone. Her parents came and took her away.
They wasn't her real parents, mister. They were bad people.
Sleeping rabbits. Now, Annie has been kidnapped. I'll kill her.
I'll kill you! Ah!
Get me the piece of sleep. I got every key what you need to get you on this case in the next 20 minutes.
Help me!
It's the world's favorite rags to riches story. She'll put a smile on your face and a song in your heart. She's Annie.
Coming soon.
Join us in the magical kingdom of Swan Lake in an all-new full-length animated motion picture. The Swan Princess and the Secret of the Castle. The beautiful Princess Odette and the handsome Prince Derek rule their land with laughter and love. But when the prince runs into trouble, it's up to him to save his kingdom.
Why would someone want to burn our fields?
To lead a daring young prince into a trap.
Because an evil sorcerer has his sights on a powerful ancient magic and will stop at nothing to get it. Now our heroes will risk it all to battle a powerful evil to save Swan Lake.
Change me into a swan.
You could be stuck as a swan forever.
It's an all-new enchanting adventure starring your favorite characters. Puffin.
Me beak is sealed.
Jean-Bob.
I am a prince.
Speed.
You're a prince in my eyes.
Prince Derek and Princess Odette, featuring 5 original songs.
Now I'll give the orders and you're gonna take them. Things gonna be the way that I make them. I'll be the one who gets every break. You gotta love it. Ah!
That's what you do for a friend. Oh, that's what you do for a friend.
No fear.
Gotta say it again.
No fear.
10 times 10. The adrenaline's pumping.
Your heart's a thumping.
Your senses are jumping, but you feel I want the magic of love again. The look of longing.
It's a magical musical celebration of the power of true friendship. The Swan Princess and the Secret of the Castle. From Columbia TriStar.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Matilda
Hi, Dad.
Get in the car, Melinda.
Matilda!
Whatever.
who was extraordinary in every way.
Pretty soon you'll be able to do any multiplication, whether it's 2 times 7,
14,
or 13 times 379.
4,927.
Wow. She can multiply large sums in her head. So can a calculator.
But in a world where grown-ups make all the rules.
I'm smart, you're dumb.
I'm big and you're small.
I'm right.
And you're wrong.
In a school where the principal
In this school, I am God!
has no principles.
Yes, Miss Trunchbull. Sir, the Trunchbull used to be in the Olympics. Shot put, javelin, hammer throw.
She will discover
Somebody's gotta teach her a lesson.
deep inside herself
You should believe in whatever power you think you have inside of you.
a secret weapon
I did it with my powers.
to even the odds.
No more Miss Nice Girl.
Hey, dip face, have a carrot.
Nah, you eat it.
Now,
Cookie! You will not leave this platform until you have consumed the entire confection!
she gives power
You can do it, Brucey!
to the powerless. Help to the helpless.
Harry, take your hat off.
I can't get it off.
And disaster to those who deserve it. From the author of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory and James and the Giant Peach, and the unique vision
What did you do to your hair?
of director Danny DeVito, comes the story of every kid's right to stand tall, no matter how small. Matilda.
Once upon a time, there was a princess and a peasant. She lived atop a hill in a glittering castle.